Traders, you're welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be breaking down an incredibly simple yet powerful strategy that can help you stay ahead of the market, and that is the 15 EMA trading strategy. Okay, whether you are trading Forex, stocks, or crypto, the exponential moving average is one of the most effective tools for identifying trends and confirming trade entries. All right, the 15 EMA is a perfect balance. It reacts quickly to price changes while filtering out market noise. So if you have ever struggled with late entries or false signals, this strategy could be a game changer. All right, stick around as we go step by step through how the 15 EMA works and how you can use it to improve your trading. All right, so I'm just going to be adding the 15 EMA to the chart right away. Before we get into how to use the 15 EMA trading strategy, let us just quickly break down what the 15 EMA actually is and why traders love it. Now, EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average, and unlike the simple moving average, which gives equal weight to all past prices, the EMA gives more weight to recent price action. Okay, this makes it react faster to market movements, which is exactly what we need when trading in fast moving markets. Now, the 15 period EMA specifically is popular because it strikes the perfect balance between speed and reliability. It is fast enough to capture trend changes early, but not so fast that it constantly reacts to minor price fluctuations. So this makes it ideal for identifying short to medium term trends. Okay, now that we know what the 15 EMA is, let us just talk about how to actually use it in your trading strategy. There are three key ways to apply the 15 EMA effectively. The first is trend identification. If the price is trading above the 15 EMA, for the fact that this is a small period EMA, then you should use smaller time frames. All right, maybe 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes time frames. Okay, for scalping. So when the price is trading above the 15 EMA, we are in an uptrend. As you can see, this is an example. But if the price is trading below the 15 EMA, then we are in a downtrend. Okay, this is one of the simplest and most effective ways to determine market direction. Secondly, you can use this indicator for your entry and exit signals, right? The 15 EMA can act as dynamic support or resistance level. If price pulls back to the 15 EMA and bounces, right, it could be a great entry point. If it breaks through and closes on the other side, it might signal a trend reversal. Okay, now you can see that during this trend, it was bouncing off as the EMA was serving as dynamic support, kept on bouncing off, then bouncing off. But then eventually these levels were just false breakouts, right? Remember that one of the things that validates a breakout is retest. So we can see that eventually we had a legit breakout somewhere around here, right? You can see that we had a breakout and a retest. You can see then it now started acting as dynamic resistance within this period. Then we had a consolidation and we had a continuation, because so the trend reversal occurred somewhere around here was where the trend reversal occurred. Okay, now you can also use this indicator to confirm momentum. A steeply rising 15 EMA suggests strong bullish momentum, while a sharply declining 15 EMA indicates strong bearish momentum. So if the EMA is flat, the market might be consolidating, exactly what we saw happening around here. Okay, which means that it is not the best time to trade. Okay, it's better you wait for a trending market before you trade. Now, one of the best things about the 15 EMA trading strategy is that it works across multiple time frames. Here's how you can adjust it based on your trading style. You can use it for scalping, right? If you want to use it for scalping, you should use the 1 minute or the 5 minute chart. With the 15-minute EMA, with the 15 EMA to catch quick intraday moves. Okay, so if you are a scalper, you can actually use 1 minute or 5 minutes. In some cases, you can also use the 15-minute chart. Okay, in order to catch fast moves. Then if you still want to try this indicator for day trading, if you want to try it out for day trading, you can try the 1 hour charts. All right, you can try the 1 hour chart. Okay, it works well for spotting short-term trends. So you can see this was an example of a buy trend. It was an example of a buy trend. It was quite a long one as the price was trading above the 15 EMA on the 1 hour chart. Then if you want to try this indicator for swing trading, then you can proceed to the 4 hour chart or even the daily chart, right? The 4 hour chart or even the daily chart. Okay, it helps you to stay in trades longer by capturing bigger trends. Now, the key is to test it out and find what works best for your trading style. Okay, while the 15 EMA is powerful on its own, it becomes even stronger when combined with other indicators. So here are a few solid combinations. You can use the 15 EMA with RSI, the relative strength index, okay, to confirm momentum. If price bounces off the 15 EMA and the RSI is above 50, like in this scenario, right? If you want to add the 50 level to the RSI, you can just go to the RSI settings, go to levels, then you add 50. It's as easy as that. Okay, so if price bounces off the 15 EMA and RSI is above 50, it strengthens the bullish signal. You can also use the 50 EMA alongside MACD. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line while price is above the 15 EMA, it confirms upward momentum. And then you can use the 15 EMA with price action. You just look for candlestick patterns like pin bars or engulfing candles, morning star, evening star, shooting star, and all of that, right? You can see we actually had a candlestick pattern, a bullish candlestick pattern around here. You can see this morning star that we had occur here, right? So this was a bullish candlestick pattern. So basically you can use the 15 EMA alongside candlestick patterns, okay, for extra confirmation. By combining these tools, you can filter out weak signals and increase your trade accuracy. So there you have it. The 15 EMA trading strategy is a simple yet effective way to identify trends, confirm trades, and manage trades. Whether you are a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, this setup can help you stay on the right side of the market. Let me know in the comments. Do you use the 15 EMA in your trading? What is your favorite moving average strategy? And if you got value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth trading strategies, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.